That is so painful. Wow.
Look at this. Right, we just got to nip into guest services and get our wristband for filming.
Right, all GoPro approved, but we had some bad news. Lost Gravity is closed, which is arguably probably one of the best rides in the park.
It looks like Camelot, and Camelot's been closed for donkey's years now.
When you walked into the entrance, it was like, ooh, this looks really bright, really inviting, lovely street. And you get into the park, it's like, ooh.
I don't know. It just looks very Stoke-on-Trent.
This suits me just fine indoors. Just fine. Spooky. Well, that was definitely one of the better madhouses I've been on. Just a shame it looks like this on the outside, but inside it was mystic, it was magical, it was fun, and lots of cool set design, and the atmospherics was done perfectly. Oh, tail! The most painful ride I've ever had in my life. The ride is so good, but the hail was so bad.
If it wasn't hailing, it'd be okay.
Oh, it's like someone throwing pebbles at you.
Wow. That's crazy.
Now, the painful ride experiences, Untamed was not one of them in terms of the actual ride, but that was the worst ride experience I've ever had in my life. Right, I think we need an indoor ride. Unfortunately for us, Walibi's only got one of them.
The River Rapids ride closed at the moment, but that looks cool down there.
That's going to be rough. Now, I know it's a rainy day and everywhere kind of looks miserable, but this park looks like it's on its last legs. All right, let's go on this big boy. Now, I know it's Baby Millennium Force in Cedar Point. You know, that park that I don't like too much in America. But weirdly, I enjoyed that more. It seemed to pack, even though it's shorter, not as intense, it just felt more polished. Does that make sense?
Still haven't seen it go round at all yet, so hopefully... Oh, there we go. I spoke too soon. That's the first train I've seen. Woohoo! Hey, that looks good. It's so strange because some parts of the park are like quite nice, and then other parts of the park are quite the opposite. Right, we're going for thrill first. Thrill, chill, lift hail.
Gonna trademark the shit out of that. Change of plans. That was a very long queue. Very, very long queue. So we're gonna try single riders because we did it on Goliath and got straight on.
Now the queue splits off for single riders, so down here's for thrill and down there's for chill. So this could actually work out quite well. The single rider queues are both full, yet there's trains going around with empty seats. How? How?
Going on, going on. Let's see what this is all about. I've got so much room. Oh shit! That single rider queue took so long. That thing was fun, but it rattled like crazy. It was a rattly mountain coaster. We found out what the R stands for.
Condor is closed and it's just started to rain again.
I'm having the best day. one ride I am excited about is a clone of Rock and Roller Coaster at Disneyland Paris, which is now Flight Force. But instead of it all being indoors, it launches you outside. I mean, the queue's cool. It's getting more decayed and old and spooky. Oh, it stinks. Smell poddy. Missed the jump scare. It just goes on forever. That's a cool effect. This would be a great scare. This would be a great scare maze.
Launch it, launch it, launch it. Oh, holy shit!
Oh, with that queue line and the fact we could actually see where we were going on the ride, that's currently my favourite. Yes, I did just say that. That is currently my favourite ride at the park. And another ride. It's a boomerang, but it's a boomerang with a difference. It's got some on-ride audio. Station building. I mean, it looks funky. Abandoned, but funky.
Oh, they could have put some light effects in here or something. Are they coming on? No, you cheap bastard! Oh, it's raining again!
It was fun until it started raining. Onboard audio is a nice touch. It was okay, wasn't it? It was okay.
I liked it.
Yeah, it
As
was
a
okay.
boomerang,
Yeah.
it was smooth.
This was your idea, Mark. This was your idea.
I'm having the best day. So how are you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. Such a shame that's closed. People rate it so highly. Never mind. Actually, I take that back. I do mind, because I'm never coming here again. Ever. Yeah, another ride closed. Well, it's not like we can get any more wet, is it? Uh-oh. Oh! We can actually see where we're going now. Okay, now I can see where I was going. I take it back. I take it back. That's my favourite ride. Airtime, smooth, comfortable seats. That's my favourite. We had thrill. Now it's time for some chill.
Sorry if you're looking at my crotch right now. Just adjusting myself. There we go. Front row. On the chill side.
It's still rattly though. Really rattly. Rattle, 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 rattle. It's rapids time. Oh, we've got a delay. I don't know. It's another delay. They ain't moving anytime soon. We've been evacuated from the queue. I'm not sure if it's just today, but operationally, this park is horrendous.
I don't think it's just today.
Oh, that's big. That's a big wheel. We're not even at the top yet. Is this the highest point?
Feels like it. Yeah, we're right in the center.
We're coming down. And breathe. That was. I had a moment up there. I didn't like that. Oh no, we stopped. I'm hoping it's just one lap. I really am hoping it. We saw the rapids working again whilst we're on the Ferris wheel, so you know where we're going.
I'm loving this head chopper element. Boop. It's a good length, but there's not much going on. Okay. Okay. I'm ready to go home now.
Alright, so there we go. That's our day at Walibi Holland. And operationally and aesthetically, other than this entrance street and the main entrance out front, this park is a mess. It really is. It hasn't been a good day whatsoever, but we've made the most of it, and that's all that matters. Won't say any more than that. I think we've said enough. So with the like button, subscribe button, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.